Oh yeah, oh yeah. 5 pockets. Fifth pocket EDC. Fifth pocket EDC. I guess I forgot the best part about this. Yeah. All right, here we go. Fifth pocket EDC. Yes, alright, this is going to be a nice, quick, easy unboxing. These are bits, super like, whatever. But here we are, the Hoto bits, all the way from China, with the excellent packaging. But here, we're going to get through it. The unboxing. Look, I got knives everywhere. I could be so brave and take a knife. Oh, I like how it's rubber. I was expecting like plastic. Look at this. Wonky, wonky, wonky. Alright. Here's your top back ratchet. So let's just feature this, huh? Look at this, huh? Look at this. Oh, look. I need a bit. What's that, you say? Ooh, this is like a nice bit. Look at that. I like it when they have that little, I don't even know what they call that, but that's a good bit. That's a nice bit. You see how that magnetized in there? Oh, yeah, look at that. And the reason I'm so excited about that, and like this, we got this. So we'll just make this about both of them. I don't know. Might as well. This. We'll just turn that on while we chop suey over here. Get this going. This is the mini black mirror screwdriver. So it does that. Does not ratchet or anything. Let's see how long that lasts. Not as long as this one. But that's cool. Look at how small it is. This one, with attachment, 167.9 grams. This one, with no attachment, because it didn't really have attachment, is 48 grams. And then we can plug this into here. Yeah. Get stuff done. Look at that. Tax write-off. Because it's a screwdriver, so I need that for your work. You can just write it off, figure it out. Or not, whatever. I'm gonna. But look at that. And then you can what I like is you can kind of anchor that in there. You can sort of crank it around. I've already been using this one like that. It's so handy. So nice having that in there like that. It's so nice. Oh, I just love this little guy. So cute. So precious. Just spins and spins and spins. Alright, that's gonna be the shortest one we've done yet. So why not? Fifth element. Pocket EDC. Fifth pocket EDC. Good night. Peace and love. Like, comment, subscribe. Gosh, it's late. I should go to bed. Bye.